In this video, we'll walk you through replacing your genuine XWFE water filter located in your refrigerator's left door. Your refrigerator will let you know when it's time to change the filter. You'll see a filter expired message when it's time to change it. You can also change the filter sooner if you notice the water flow to your dispenser or ice maker has noticeably decreased. Open the filter compartment located on the left door of your refrigerator. Gently grasp the filter and pull out to the right until it locks in place. Slowly turn the filter to the left about a quarter turn until you feel the filter release and you hear a faint click. Remove the filter completely and discard. First, gather your new filter for installation. You may notice a small design difference with your new filter. This is okay and installs the same way as your previous version. Open the filter compartment door located on the left door of your refrigerator and pull the filter holder out to the right. Now, line up the ports on the filter with the ports on the filter cartridge holder and gently insert the filter. Slowly turn the filter to the right until you feel it automatically adjust into place. You hear a faint click and the label faces outward. Do not over-tighten. Slowly push the filter into the clips. Close the filter compartment by gently pushing the door closed until the tabs lock into place. Confirm that the filter expired light is no longer illuminated on control panel. For external dispense models, run 2 gallons of water through the dispenser for about 5 minutes to remove air from the system. Water may spurt out and air bubbles may be visible during this process. It is normal for water to appear discolored during the initial system flush. The water will return to normal after the first few minutes of dispensing. For autofill pitcher models, you should allow the pitcher to autofill and empty the pitcher into the sink 4 times to purge the new filter of normal black carbon dust. That's it! You've successfully replaced your XWFE water filter.